Good morning, my guys. Happy new month. Happy October. Okay, so I'm getting up this early morning. I want to go and shower and then I make breakfast. Yeah, come with me. I'm so glad. I've just woke up and it's a new month. I'm just very happy. See you on the other side. Hi guys, I want to shower in my new shower. Yeah, as you saw in my previous video, I changed my shower and the showering has been so enjoyable. Yeah, let's go. So I have to switch the socket outside. That is my shower, and here is the pump. Yeah, this one is called the pump. Yeah, so let's open it. So this tab, it's for opening it, to open the water. Yeah, I have to open this water first, then I'll open this one. So you see the shower has started, the pressure starts to rise because it's pumping the water. Yeah, it's pumping the water, and that's how the water is coming out. And if I want to change and use the small one, I just change from there. And now the small one is coming out. I don't know if it's recording nicely. Yeah. That's how my shower looks like, and yeah. Woo! I wish you are here to feel the way the water is hot. It's now in 45 degrees. Yeah, for me I like when it's in 45 degrees. The warm is nice. 45 or 6. Yeah, let's use the bigger shower. Bigger shower head. I've not yet know how to set my camera nice for you to see me showering this nice shower. Yeah, I don't know, but that's how it looks. Woo, the water is so nice. It's now warm, very nice. Now you can see it's in 48. In the earth, so that means the pressure is nice, the heat is nice, and I love it. Oh, I didn't show you, if you want to have the water pressure, this is the controlling of the water pressure. So I'm using 10. 10 is the, you see this one, you see the water now, it's not coming with a lot of pressure, so that's why I'm using 10. The water is coming with a lot of pressure. It is nice because our apartment water, I'm living in the 5th floor, so the water doesn't come with a lot of pressure. So I just love this shower. This is a nice purchase. Let's use the dull one. Take the small shower. Oluwatos, hey, Oluwatos. The Jesus that I know is enough for me. This shower. Yeah, I know it will cost me electricity because I'll be staying in the shower for long. It did. So I'll use that small one because I'm showing you the pressure even is still more for the small one. Oh, and it's good hot. So I'll use this one so that you can see. Oh, my shower gel is almost finished.
You dealing with the body of God, or you dealing with the past? Is there? bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
So I'm done showering, and don't mind my hair, it's a bad hair day. We will do it maybe in this vlog, or I don't know, cause it's bills week. You see my hair, my nails, they're not done. Yani, I'm telling you, being an adult, but we are managing it, so we thank God. We can't complain. Yeah, so let's choose, apply oil, and choose what you will put on. So I'll apply my face serum and my moisturizer, then the raw shea butter, then I'll apply the body cream, the butter, cocoa butter for hand and body cream, and I'll mix with this one. Yeah, I'll do that one off camera. So guys, since we are not stepping outside, I've just decided to put on this t-shirt. It's a big t-shirt, yeah, and I will show you the day how it goes, cause yeah, it's first month. Not first month, it's the first day of the month, so I just want to go back to vlog, but I had a lot of videos, that's why I've been consistent. I vlogged a lot, and this month I've put a timetable. Let me show you. Not a timetable, I've just put a routine that I'll do this month. I think you can see it. Yeah, so 1st October, this thing I did on 29th, so I'm starting to practice it now. 1st October, no sugar, no carbohydrates, no sugar, no carbs, this whole of October, cause like I told you last month, like I told you in September, my stomach has started bloating. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I was diagnosed with H. pylori, so I don't know, it has come back because I've been treating it, taking the fermented cabbage, taking the shot, yeah, and I started feeling nicely. So but I went back, I was taking white tea, I was taking bread, because I felt like, yeah, my body needs, you know, sometimes you can crave it and you can't deny yourself. In fact, when it's that time of the month, I normally crave wheat, I normally crave queen cakes. I think I normally crave wheat and sugar. So this month I want, even when I'm in periods, I will not take sugar nor carbs. So if it's ugali day, you see like this one, all right, day 1, it's beef stew cooked with fried sukuma wiki. Yeah, so for me, I will not take ugali, but since I'm living with my sister, my sister will take ugali because she's not following this. And then my sister, she has, I don't know, 40 kgs, so no, for her, she's okay with her kg, it's just to maintain. But she has started adding weight, so I don't know if she's over 40 now. Then day 2, it's fried tilapia and avocado. Yeah, so I want to practice to take more protein, and then no oil. So the fat, no fats, the fat that I'll be taking, it will be like avocado, fish, tilapia has fat. Yeah, then day 3, I'll take boiled eggs or fried 4 or 6 with sauteed cabbage. Yeah, so and then day 4, I'll take, what is this, goat stew and sukuma wiki. Yeah, goat stew. Yeah, that one is day 4, it will be goat stew. Then day 5, it will be omena, fried omena, avocado or liver, cause I don't know, omena always burns me. Yeah, omena, the last time why we stopped, we used to shop even for omena. I think even if you have been here since day 1, I started vlogging you, so I used to shop for omena, but it started burning. I started having the mouth ulcers, so I stopped taking omena. So that day I can take liver, that's why I wrote or liver, but they said omena has potassium. Yeah, so day 6 is chicken piece plus kuku. Okay, chicken peas plus chicken kienyeji and sauteed spinach. So I don't know the chicken peas. This one I told ChatGPT to help me. So the chicken peas I will check. I don't know it's lentils or what. So I'll have to see if we can get it here with the kienyeji chicken and sauteed spinach. So I can just take kienyeji chicken with sauteed spinach. Then day 7 is beef liver beef. Yeah, beef, that liver from cow, yeah, I think, and which is fried, and salad, cucumber and tomatoes. Yeah, that's my favorite. And then drinks, I'm stopping to take in white tea, so I'll be taking tea without sugar or coffee. I asked ChatGPT if I can take tea with lemon like the way I used to take, or coffee with lemon. It told me it will burn me. Because this one is 1 meal a day. I'm taking no carbs, no sugar, and 1 meal a day. So you see, if I take lemon and it's like a breaking fast in the morning, it will burn me. Then so lemon, there's no lemon, so it's tea without sugar or coffee. Yeah, that one I can, because I've been doing that I think more than 2 years now. Or boiled water and a pinch of salt. Yeah. So you have seen from day 1 to day 7. So this one I'll be repeating it 7 days a week for October. I want to see if my stomach will go back to normal and if I'll maintain my weight. I've not measured yet my weight. I'll go to measure today or maybe tomorrow. And I don't know why October has been raining. I thought it's summer. No, not October, September. Sorry about that. I don't know why September, but it was last September. Like yesterday it rained. The other day it rained during I think afternoon. It has been raining. So this is what I'm planning, because I want to be healthy and I want to have a snatch body, because I'm preparing for summer, the Kenyan summer, because December I'm thinking of taking a vacation. I wanted to take a vacation in this October, but I couldn't find Kenya Airways. I couldn't find the flight to where I was going. It was saying it's full booked, because I wanted to book it early. You know, when you book it early it's cheaper, but I want even to look for somebody who will be, I don't know, who will be booking for me, if it's Jumbo Jet or... Because me, Jumbo Jet, I tried the first time I wanted to fly with Jumbo Jet. I tried, it was just lagging. And when I read online, people were saying that their network is always lag. So I don't know how people booked through Jumbo Jet. Maybe they've been hacked somewhere. So that's all for my October. Yeah, I'll be vlogging daily. Yeah. Here's where I've hung this one, and my bed is behind there, so when I wake up I can't forget. I just go with my chart. Then I know people, you have been asking yourself what is always this chart. This chart, it's, yeah, I don't want you to see now because I'll reveal it. Maybe that one is for my sister. Mine is here. You see mine? Yeah, I'll be revealing it. Yeah, I think the end of the year. It's a vision board of the thing that we wanted to do this year. So, because there's still 3 months remaining, October, November and December. So that's the time we will reveal and see what we have achieved. And if we have not achieved, we'll carry it to next year. So we kept it near our bed. Like you see, I sleep here. And mine is there, so I kept it there. Let me do like that. Okay, so I kept it there. When I wake up, I just been motivated that I need to work hard and get this. I need to work hard and get this. Yeah, that's why I kept it. When I just wake up like this, because here it's on the bed and it's here. So when I just wake up, I'm like, yeah, darling, you need to work hard and achieve your dreams. Okay, see you guys in the other side. So guys, I'm rushing because by 6 I'm supposed to be already eat, or I've already eaten it. It's 4:38 and I'm supposed to cook meat, to cook this spinach and to cook ugali. Yeah, by 6 we're supposed to be done, even eating, already cooked. Yeah, that's why I'm rushing. I've never vlogged this side. We have been having prayers for 21 days and I'm vlogging because we are almost finishing the days of that. Yeah, guys, we have been having a 21 days fasting for Hallelujah challenge, pre-Hallelujah challenge. So we have been praying for Hallelujah challenge and I've never vlogged because I think when you are in prayer it's your secret with God. That's why I've never vlogged, but we are remaining with 7 days and I'm so happy. I'm so glad this far. It's God. So my food is ready and it's, yeah, I think, yeah, it's 5:26. So I have like less than 30 minutes to eat and to finish. Oh my God, it looks so yummy. Day 1 of eating no carbs, no sugar. Yeah, so guys, I want to change my beddings. Yeah, you know white, it's getting dirty, so I want to change it and clean them. Then I'll put other colors. Yeah, cause I just remembered it now at night. It's the time I want to change. Yeah, my machine dries it, but I don't have that time to wait because it's 3 hours to dry. So I'll have to change it now. Then I'll put the blue one.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze.
So I want to remove this and wash this pillowcase. I want to remove these things inside. This my long time pillow. This is my long time pillow and I want to remove them and wash. So
hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever wild.
So guys, I've never washed a duvet inside here, so I want to put my white duvet inside the washing machine, and I will use the app so that if it will not be able to hold, I'll just remove because I don't want to destroy my washing machine. Oh my God, this is the first purchase that I don't want to destroy it. Even it has not finished 1 year because I got it as a Christmas gift. Yeah, we got it as a Christmas gift, so I don't want to spoil it. So let me put the Bluetooth on, then I put the machine on. So on. I'm just very scared. Let me put this stain remover. Stubborn stains, because yeah. And I'll put the duvet, only the duvet. I'll not add anything because it's so big. I don't know it's how many kilos. I don't know if it's right here. They cut the paper. So let me put it upstairs. But I asked ChatGPT, it said it can. So. Yeah, so I've used this one. I just want to know if it will be. It's telling me to wash. It will wash for 3 hours. So I don't know if it has put the extra rinse. I need to add extra rinse. So now I've put extra rinse because it's so big. I've put extra rinse because it's so big. So let's hope it will clean. Let's start. Telling me pre-washing. Let's just hope it will clean. My ring. Hello my good people. Aki, it's 1:30 and I didn't say good morning to you today because I hurried. I went to the market because I didn't have breakfast. I didn't have a lot of things that I needed, so I needed to hurry in the market. I went until 11 and I'm back. I've just showered. So then we will go and do haul and prepare the meal for 5 o'clock, for 5 p.m. so that we'll have dinner early. Yeah, that's what I want to update you. I've just showered. Yeah, because it's so dusty and hot outside. The sun is so, what will I say? The sun was shining and it was very hot. I was sweating. My legs were full of dust. So I just decided to shower before I go and cook. Yeah. See you on the other side. Hello my guys. I'm in the kitchen and I want to do a haul. Yes. So these are the everything that we have got today. And I want to do a haul with you. Let me put them out because there's so many. We've got a shower gel. Yeah, I don't know why the local supermarket they don't sell hobbies. So we normally do this one if we have not go to Carrefour. This one. And then we got the geisha, that's all. Or what you really call it, and it's having honey. Yeah. We also got the magnet all-purpose cleaner, and this one is glass cleaner. We got Fanta. I want to get a little bit more of this. For fruit, for apple, and then for orange. We got some dish. Yeah, it's 3 in 1. Dish is 3 in 1. Yeah, this one is Hava compatible. So this one somebody can use it as a lunch box. Yeah. So we got 3-in-1 dish, or what will you call it? Storage box. Yeah, that's what I can call it. And then we got limes. We got sweet potatoes, more sweet potatoes. Yeah, we want to be eating healthy. We got strawberries. We got apples. This one is red grapes. Yeah, apples and grapes. Mangoes. I think mangoes, they have started to come back, but no, because one was 50 shillings, so I don't think they have started to come back. I think just few have. Then we got the pawpaw. Then it's dinner for today. It's fish with spinach. That's what we will have today for dinner. We got kienyeji chicken. Oh, today we got the big njogo. Yeah, the cock. Yeah, so we got the kienyeji chicken. We got the vanilla essence. Vanilla essence. Two packets of sausages. We got Weetabix. So I got eggs, 2 tray of eggs. This is the one that made me to go outside because I was out of. And milk, 1 box. I think that's all. That's all for today. So I want to start cooking dinner because we are having 1 meal a day, like I told you before. Yeah. See you guys. I don't know what happened to my duvet. Imagine I've removed it in the washing machine, the one I had put with you. See, I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm just feeling disappointed. And even it has not dry, even it has not become clean. See, I'll just have to take it to dry cleaner. I'm making spinach, creamy spinach. The spinach is cooking with its water first. Then I'll put milk. Yeah, and cubes. Okay, day 2 of no sugar, no carbs. This is my dinner. I'm having fish fillet with creamy spinach. Good morning. I'm just waking up and I'm going to make breakfast. I'm so hungry. Let's go. This is my breakfast.
good morning, my people. Okay, it's another beautiful day, and I want to make this cake. Yeah, it's red velvet cake mix. So I want to make it. I don't know how it will turn out, but hopefully it will turn out nicely. So this one, it's already cake mixed, so I just need to add the margarine. Yeah, the margarine and the milk. Yeah, so I need to mix that. Yeah, so I'm having my measuring spoons here because I need a pad and a half for milk and for butter. It's my butter. I'll have to melt it, then I'll have to melt this, then so that I can measure nicely. Yeah, so milk I'm going to put a half, and this cup is half. The one I'm going to use. My margarine is still melted. Let's measure our margarine, a card. So before we continue, let's preheat our oven so that when we finish to mix the cake, the oven will be ready. Let's continue and mix. Now let's continue and mix. 3 eggs.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high.
So let's put it in the oven for 30 minutes. We'll come back to check it in 30 minutes. So let's prepare the sausages, because I'm cooking also the sausages.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into the smell.
You see, the cake has started to rise, so we are doing great. And it has remained how many minutes? It has remained 15 minutes. So we'll come to check when it's at 20 minutes, when it has remained 10 minutes, and see if it's nice. So let's check. You see our sausage? Let's turn it. Just want to turn it. Our cake is done. That's the bell for the cake. So before I turn it, let's check the cake. I will use this one to see if it's cooked. Yeah, it's coming out clean. I don't know if you have seen me poking it. Let me bring the, yeah, like that. And then you see me poking it. Yeah, it's cooked. So let's take it out. Yeah, it's cooked. So I will let it to cool, then we will remove it. Yeah. So I'll let it to cool on this side. So let's turn this. We'll use this particular stuff. So I want to take the tea with coffee. No, the tea with lemon, not tea with coffee. Hi, what's happening?
So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? Just my love is mine, all mine. I love mine, nothing in the world but
That's my breakfast. I'm having boiled eggs, sausage, and the red carpet cake. Or red velvet cake. Me with the carpet. Oh my god, one day I'll walk on the red carpet. Hello, good morning my people, good morning. Okay, it's on Sunday and I'm getting ready to go to church, and this is my fit. It's a dress. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, so I'll put on today these sandals. See you in the another side. That's my full fit. It's very cold, that's why I'm putting on this sweater. And Kenya summer is a scam, because I don't know how many days we have had that sun. Hello my beautiful people. Okay, I'm coming back from church and I'm so hungry, but I'm cooking dinner. I want to cook dinner. I've just put my kienyeji chicken in the pressure cooker. I want to cook it with rice. Yeah, like I told you, we are having like one meal a day. Yeah, but we did take breakfast because I didn't know how long we'll come from church, and now it's 14:35. It's 2:35 p.m. Yeah, so the food we'll have it at 5 p.m. Okay, I'll show you everything that I'm cooking. I'm cooking rice with kienyeji chicken. That's what we are having today. So guys, there's no electricity. Electricity went, I don't know, whatever it went. So I'm not cooking with you again, but I had to boil my chicken on the gas and it's cooked and I love the results. So I'll boil my rice. What's the time? It's 3:47. So let me cook. So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? Just my love is mine, all mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, all mine, all mine. Send of my heart to you. So when I die, which I must do, could it shine? Tell me why the electricity came back when I've already even finished cooking. Okay, it's 5:20. We have to take the dinner now. Yeah, and the chicken I'm warming because it had gone cold because it cooked. Yeah, so I'm warming it again, and the soup was had decreased. So guys, I'm from showering and I just said let me update you. You remember the white duvet that I washed the other day? I hung it on my balcony because I didn't want to hang on our clothesline because it makes a rust on clothes. Yeah, so I hung it on the balcony. So the other day when it was raining, I went to look for it. I went to unhang it. I didn't get it, and I assumed my sister unhung it. My sister is the one who had removed it. Shock me why my duvet is missing. My duvet got lost. And I'm telling you, I'm so frustrated. I'm just feeling so down. My duvet has got lost. I don't know, it fall. And since I thought my sister was the one who removed it outside, and then my sister thought I'm the one who removed it outside. So it was just like that. But when I asked her, where's the duvet? Because I needed again to change this one. She said, I didn't unhang. I said, I didn't. Me too. So we called the caretaker. He said he didn't see it. So I don't know where it is. Imagine our balcony, which somebody cannot even enter. It fall. I don't know who took it. My duvet is lost. It's lost. I'm really confused. I'm feeling so down, but it's life. It's life. So guys, I'll be closing my video and I'll start a new vlog. Bye bye. See you in another vlog. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, please like, comment and share for nice content. Bye.